Okay, so now to confirm, we're going to use a table of values. So I'm going to start with our linear function. I'm going to put in -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. At -2, we get 1. At -1, we're going to get 3. At 0, we'll get 5. 1, we'll get 7. And 2 will be 9. So let's look for our first differences. 3 minus 1, 2, 5 minus 3, 7 minus 5, and 9 minus 7. So as you can see, these first differences are the same, so therefore it is linear. So let's do the same thing with our quadratic function. For the quadratic function, we know that the second differences must be linear. So let's plug in our values like this, and now let's find our differences. So 12 minus 19 is -7. 7 minus 12 minus 5, 4 minus 7, and 3 minus 4. So the first differences are not equal. So let's try and find the second differences. We get -5 minus -7, -3 minus -5, and -1 minus -3. And so they're all equal to 2, so we see that the second differences are equal, therefore this is quadratic.